Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are still having a wonderful day. I am back with a very quick way to use some scraps and dress up a project. Stay tuned. I'm sure you guys remember this project from earlier today, and those of you who haven't seen this video, I do have it linked, so check it out because this is a truly economical way to give a very posh looking gift. So what this is, it's a tea bag, literally. It is a bag that holds tea bags, and I'll open it up so that you can see the tea bags on the inside. And some of you left comments about how would you dress up these tea bags if you wanted to dress them up so that when the person who opened the bag had an even more dressier look. And I am going to show you guys how we do that. But before we get started, for those of you who aren't subscribers and you happen to be checking out this video, I'd love to have you subscribe. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a new video. So I am not going to do a whole lot to these tea packs, but we are going to add just a little bit of dressiness to them. So these are all of the scraps that I had left over from the 3 projects I've made using this wrapping paper. So we're going to take these scraps, use them as we dress up these tea packs. So here's what we're going to need. We are going to need a scoreboard and some paper, preferably scrap. And our paper needs to be 6 inches by 2 5/8. So I am just going to cut up a couple of these, maybe 3, and we will use them in our project. So this one is a little bit ragged on both ends, so I am going to just trim off 2 5/8 wide by 6 inches long. We're going to do 2 because I might want to save this big piece and use it on something else. So I am going to score these, and here's how we score. So we have it placed in on the 6-inch side. Let's score at 2 3/4 and at 5 1/2. And we're going to do that on both of these. So we're going to score at 2 3/4 and at 5 1/2. And then we're going to fold and burnish our scores. And all we're making are tea bag covers. So now we can take our tea bag, place it in, bring that up, and then we're just going to take glue, place glue on this flap, and cover it just like that. We're not even going to tape this down or glue it down. We're simply going to put it in there because it's in there pretty snug. So I am going to take another one, place it on the inside, bring that up, take my glue, place my glue on that, and just get it stuck. And then guys, I have some of this striped paper that I used on yesterday's project, and I am just going to trim out just a couple of pieces of this to give myself a little decorative edge to this project. And you can go as elaborate as you want or not. So I am going to take this, put it on just like that, And I already have some tape on it, so I'm not adding any more tape. And so now that we have that stuck, you know that your tea bag is not going to come out. I'm going to trim off another piece because I think my first two pieces weren't too even. And these probably won't be either, but I am freehanding, so we are going with the flow. So I am going to take this one, take my little decorative piece, wrap it around, just like that. And now we have two tea bags that we have used our scraps on to decorate. And I think that these are cute all by themselves because we have covered the tea bags. We have used some of the coordinating papers from this project and created a cohesive look. But if you wanted to dress it up just a little bit more, I am going to add just a little bow. And I'm going to use my new cordless hot glue gun and place that right there in the corner. So you can see how cute that is, and it didn't take a whole lot. Just know that if you add embellishments that have any type of depth to them, you might reduce the number of tea bags that you're able to get in this bag. So we have one really cute way of dressing that up. And then on the second one, I am just going to use a sticker. Doesn't take a whole lot, guys, to just dress these up, to put them inside our bag. So I am going to take that holly, place it right there. And now we have two very simply understated covered tea bags that we can add to our bag. So I am just going to open this, take this one, place it in, take this one and place it in, and then I would add at least 3 more to this pack. And now that we have them covered, you can see what an extra special look we give to this project when we use our scraps just to cover those tea bags. So thank you guys for suggesting that. Thank you so much for asking me to just come back real quick with a video showing how you do it. So I hope that this is giving you some ideas on how you can take your tea bags that you're going to be placing in your tea bag and dress them up from this to this. And we're still doing this, guys, for under $2. Doesn't get any better than that. So I hope that you've liked this quickie. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload a new video. As always, you guys be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.